Are you looking for a way to automatically two-way sync between Airtable and Trello? With zzBots, you can now install this from our plugin store. This plugin contains two bots. One bot will monitor for new or updated records in Airtable and then automatically sync them over to Trello as new or updated cards. The other bot will monitor for new or updated cards in Trello and then automatically sync them over to Airtable as new or updated records. If you are watching this video from YouTube or social media, start by clicking the link in the description. In zzBots, click the Install button. If you don't already have an account, you will need to set up a free account before finishing the install. Then click Next. First, set up the connection with your Airtable account. After your account is connected, select the base and the table that you want to sync with. Then select the last modified time field in the dropdown. If an option for this field does not appear in the dropdown, you can add it in Airtable by creating a new field with the field type of last modified time. You will also need to add a single line text field in your table for the Trello Card ID. After you have both of these fields in your table, return to zzBots. After reselecting the table, the last modified time field will then appear as an option in the dropdown. Next, set up the connection with your Trello account. After your account is connected, select the board and the list that you want to sync with. Click Next and Install Now. After clicking Done, you will be redirected to the Bots page. Click on the Airtable to Trello bot. The first step will already be completed. Expand the if condition step. In the first field, click here to insert a value. Insert the value of the Trello Card ID from Airtable. Next, scroll down and expand the new card step. In the name field, click to insert a value. This pop-up will show a list of values from each step in your bot. The values from Airtable will match with all of the unique field names in your table. From this list, insert the value of the field that you want to sync over as the name. Repeat this process for all of the fields that you want to sync over from Airtable to Trello. Next, expand the Update Records step. In the Trello Card ID field, insert the value of the ID from Trello. Next, expand the Update Card step. In the Card field, insert the value of the Trello Card ID from Airtable. In each relevant field of this step, insert the same corresponding values from Airtable as you did in the new card step. Now that your first bot is configured, scroll up and click Save. Next, click on the Trello to Airtable bot. The first step will already be completed. Expand the if condition step, then scroll down and expand the new record step. In each relevant Airtable field, insert the corresponding value from Trello. In the Trello Card ID field, insert the value of the ID from Trello. The Update Card step will already be completed. Expand the Update Record step. In each relevant field of this step, insert the same corresponding values from Trello as you did in the new record step. Once you have finished configuring this bot, scroll up and click Save. Next, enable each of your bots. We can test this sync by adding a few new records in Airtable. In zzBots, your bots will automatically check for changes to sync over every 10 minutes or faster, depending on your billing plan. You can manually check by hitting Check Now. As you can see here, the new records in Airtable successfully synced over to Trello as new cards. Now we will update both of these cards and create a new card to sync over to Airtable. In zzBots, we will manually trigger the bots by clicking Check Now. Below the bot steps for each bot, you will see the bot history. The bot power used each time that your bot is triggered will be shown here. Bot power will not be used when your bot is checking for new data. Bot power will only be used when your bot successfully syncs new or updated cards or records between Trello and Airtable. In Airtable, you can see that both the new and updated cards from Trello synced over successfully. We will update a few of these records and wait for the bots to automatically check for changes. You can see here that the updated records successfully synced back to Trello. If you are looking for more ways to integrate your different apps together or automate your business, then be sure to hit that subscribe button and check out our other videos. If you have any questions, just chat with us on our website at zzBots.com or join our community at zzBots.com/community.